I just shoved the curtains under there. And these things I'm going to put behind my kitchen thing on the other side. That one may need to go up front, not sure, or live here while I'm traveling. And just take it out when I get where I'm going or something. And now I'm going to work on this. So I think what I'm going to do is take this one out. Stuff falls out of it anyway. Put this one up there and find somewhere else for this stuff. Alright, so let's get this stuff out of the way. Let's put it over here. With my Alright, let's see. I'm going to hang this up. I like to have that by the front. And actually, that's what this goes in here, where it was. This is all about bugs and sunscreen and mud. Okay. So, I'm going to put it over here like the other one. I'm going to zip tie it. See, it's going to keep coming down. So I'm going to do this and then zip tie here. My hands are so oh, I missed the. Shoot. No, I got it. Okay. That one side wants to come down, but I think it'll stay. It's gonna stay. Okay. And now this. This up here. To itself. There. That'll work. Swing around a little bit. That's okay. That's okay. All right, so I need to put this back up here. If you're wondering what this is, so I have a bunch of tea lights in here. And this is another way to warm up the van when I'm awake, of course, and watching it. But can put the candles in here and put this the other way, upside down on top of the candles, and it warms up. So put them like in a bowl or a metal bowl or something. And yep, that works. So I hang it upside down when I'm not using it. Get the bungee cord in there first. There. So hangs like that. I'll put this back up here. I ran out of place for it to grip. But I'm trying to see if I have a better place for this. Maybe. Better spot for this one. I put it over here. I'm going to put it up here where my curtain is. See if it'll go up there on my curtain rod. There we go. Let's get it. There. There. So if I need some extra heat, I got that. So that can, it's a heat lamp, and it only needs to be on for a few minutes. I'll make sure the curtains are out of the way. Nothing's touching it. Yep. Okay, so we solved that dilemma. And all right, now we have to sort out the stuff up here. Let's see. Another one of these tablecloths. I forgot I had a couple of them here. All right, now I have to figure out what to do with the stuff in here or this whole thing. I have no more room for any stuff. I have too much stuff. So, let's see. I have to put these here. Actually, I ended up putting, I'll show you. I ended up putting all of those stool things in there. I was putting an extra water thing in there, but I think I have somewhere else I can put the water. Probably up front. Okay, so that's all cleared up. Stools are all put away. So that's all cleaned up and set up. All the stools are put away. And yeah. There. Now I gotta clean up this stuff here. Okay, let's get this stuff cleaned up. I like to keep that right there so it's handy. I wish I could set it up, but it's away. It's gonna fall in. That's the problem, it's gonna fall in. I guess I could put it there. I can live there until I need the water. That works. Alright. I think I'm running out of storage to film. My phone keeps shutting off. That's usually the reason. So I am done with this bag. Oh, I'll keep it for garbage. I always need trash bags. Put it in there. Okay. Yay! Everything's put away. Back over here. Ah! I'm going to put this stuff back up. That'll hold it. I'm going to put the wash rags on top of that. There. We're getting there. We're getting there. Getting ready. Okay. I think I'll hang this hat up here. Ah, got it stuck on something. Right by the door. Okay guys, we got everything set up except for the last minute food and water and power banks. So, and the dog, I have a dog tent, and so there's a few last minute odds and ends, but pretty much done. I got the dog's puppy seat in there, and in front of that is their box. I can even put it on my ice chest if I need to. I would just have to take the cover, take the dog's thing off, throw it up front. But most of the time, I'm going to have enough power to cook electric. So, we'll see how that goes. Okay guys, we are just about ready to go. I still have another, well, another week, I guess. So today's Wednesday, so tomorrow will be a week when I'll be leaving, and I got everything pretty much done. Some more extra bathroom supplies to put in. Stick these right there. There's cleaning wipes, so it's like portable bath shower wipes. And got the dog's car seat back in. And there's their plastic container, some extra water fit up there. I have an emergency backpack I'll be putting right there. I think, maybe. We'll see. Or on top of the dog's thing. So, I am just about ready to go. I'm getting more excited. Yay! So, I'll finish up this video with the last minute touches, and then we'll be on our way, and that'll probably be another series of videos. Getting to Sacramento, getting to Santa Cruz, getting to, camping with my family and friends, and then coming back to Sacramento, and going back to Sacramento, and then coming back home. So stay tuned for those videos.